Yes, we saw that a common search on Google is download Encrochat OS. So if we speak about downloading the EncroChat operating system, this I think it's not available anymore online, and even if it is available, their servers has been shut down by the authorities, I think. So it's like a useless operating system according to our research online. This company had some problems, and a lot of people get arrested that used this secure encrypted phone, and therefore I even don't know if there is something to download. The same is for Sky ECC, the same story. All their websites are closed, and servers closed, and nobody can be reached, so even Sky ECC operating system cannot be downloaded. What we can propose to you is our system, that it's not an encrypted phone, but it's an encrypted system that you install on a dedicated device. It can be a laptop, it can be an Android Windows laptop, and an Android device. It is better, of course, if it's a dedicated device, like EncroChat was a dedicated device. It will not be a communication device, because you need to understand that communication devices, even if they are encrypted the best way possible, they can be hacked. That's what happened with EncroChat, and that's what happened with Sky CC. We propose something else. You have all the links in the description of this video. Our system, it's a system that is even above government level. It's an encryption system, very advanced, and according to what we think, if you use it the right way, is also unbreakable. And you'll find all the details in the description of this video. As I told you, in this page you will have the entire presentation. You have even a 30 days free trial. It means you can download it to your current Android device, to your current Windows PC, and try it. You have all the video tutorials, the PDF guides, in order to do it in the right way. You can transform any device, any Android device, any Windows PC into a very powerful encryption system.
The question we now have to ask is if technologically it is possible to make an impenetrable device or system where the encryption is so strong that there's no key, there's no door at all.
Yes, so what Obama is speaking is about a system or a device where there are no keys. And our encryption system has actually no keys. It's not storing keys, it's generating keys on the spot by the user, and then they completely disappear. So there are a lot of advantages that we will speak about in the next videos. We are all very welcome to ask any questions you want, download, try to use it. You will understand the big difference in security between our system and whatever you call secure encrypted phones.